Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shada Sharao. Today's session we are going to learn Autoboxing and Auto Unboxing in Java. Until 1.4 versions we can't provide the wrapper object in the place of primitives and primitives in the place of wrapper objects. All the required conversions should be performed explicitly by the programmer. I can show one example here. See this example, I'm creating a class called Autoboxing and Auto Unboxing demo. See here, I'm creating this is the main method. I'm creating a one boolean object here. Boolean b is equal to new boolean of true. Now, boolean object contains true value. Now here I am checking if of b means if it is true, it prints the hello. If it is false, it prints nothing. Now we can compile this program by using, if it is not a Java 1.4, now we will get the compile time error. If I am running this program by using 1.4 version, by using like this dot Java. Now we can compile this program by using the Java 1.4 version syntaxes. In this time, it gives the error means incompatible types found java.lang.boolean. Why? Because this is a primitive. This is the wrapper class. Now, if condition takes only primitives, here autoboxing and unboxing is not applied. Why? Because we are compiled our Java program by using Java version 1.4. That's why it gives the exception. Now, if you compile this program above Java version 1.4, for example, if you compile this program by using above 1.4 versions, I can come, for example, I can compile this Java 1.5. It compiles successfully. Now it prints hello in a console. Next, here I can show one more example here. I'm creating one class Autoboxing and Unboxing. Now this is the public static void main. I'm creating an array list. I'm creating an integer object. Directly I'm putting an integer object into the array list. If it is uh, if you are using above 1.4 version, it's automatically boxing. Auto boxing will be done and auto unboxing. Auto boxing means the wrapper classes objects converted into the primitive objects. Auto unboxing means the primitives are converted automatically into the wrapper classes like this. Now, if you are compiling this by using Java 1.4 version, it gives the compile time error. If it is, if you are compiling with by using Java 1.5 version, if you compile by using the Java 1.5 version, it gives the 1.5 version, sorry 1.4 version, it gives the compile time error. Now we can compile this program by using Java 1.5, it compiles successfully. Why? Because the future autoboxing and unboxing is available from Java 1.5 onwards. But from 1.5 version onwards, we can provide the primitive value in the place of wrapper and wrapper objects in the place of primitives. All required conversions will be performed by automatically by the compiler. These automatic conversions are called autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing means automatically wrapper classes are converted into the primitives. Auto unboxing means primitives are converted into the wrapper classes. Next, I'm going to discuss about autoboxing. Autoboxing means automatic conversion of primitives to wrapper objects by the compiler is called autoboxing. If, for example, I am taking integer I is equal to 10, compiler converts int to integer automatically by autoboxing. After compilation, the above line will becomes like this. If you see here, automatically it like this. Integer I is equal to integer dot value of 10. That is internally autoboxing concept is implemented by using the value of method. Next, I'm discussing about auto unboxing. Automatic conversion of wrapper objects to primitives by compiler is called auto unboxing. If you see this example, I am creating an object of integer class while the compiler converts integer to int automatically by the auto unboxing. For example, int I is equal to 10. Now, after compilation, the above line will becomes int I is equal to L dot int value of int value. Sorry, here is the 10. Next, that is autoboxing concept is internally implemented by using triplex value method. For from 1.5 version onwards, we can use the primitives and the wrapper objects internally. The required conversions will be performed automatically by the compiler. Now, I can show one example here. If you see this example, I am creating a one class that is called Autoboxing and Unboxing. In this class, I am creating a one static variable int I is equal to 0. Now, in the public static void main, I am creating a one local variable int I is equal to I. I am assigning instance variable to the local variables. Now, I am printing the I value. Now, here, this is the wrapper class. The wrapper class object I am assigning to the primitives. The wrapper object is automatically converted and put it into the I variable by using the concept of autoboxing and unboxing. And is the one more example here. This is the one more example autoboxing and unboxing. I am creating one. This is the main method. I am creating two integer objects. One is int x is equal to 10 and another one is int y is equal to x. After that, I am incrementing the x value. Now I am printing the x value. I am printing the y value. After that, I am comparing the x is equal to y. See here, this is integer object. I am incrementing the x value. The integer object converted into the primitive type and incremented by the 1. This integer object conversion converted into the primitive, that is called autoboxing. This is the concept of autoboxing and unboxing. Now, all wrapper objects are immutable. That is, once we created a wrapper object, we can't perform any changes in the existing object. If we are trying to perform any changes with those changes, a new object will be created. I can show one more example here. I'm creating an integer object, integer x is equal to new integer and integer y is equal to new integer. I'm comparing the x is equal to y. Now I am comparing the two objects, not the two values. Here the two objects. That why two objects are the different objects. That's why it returns the false. I can show one more example here. I'm creating an object of an integer and after that I'm creating one more object called one more object integer and assigning the value 10. After that I'm comparing the two objects, two integer objects x is equal to y. Now here I am comparing the two objects, not values. That's why it returns false. If you see this one more example, I'm creating an object of integer x. After that, I'm creating a one more object integer y. I'm assigning the object of x value into the integer y. Here I am comparing the two objects x is equal to y. It returns true. Why? Because x value I am assigning into the integer y object. That's why it returns true. So one more example. If you see this example, I'm creating a integer object x is equal to 10. I'm creating integer y is equal to 10. After that, I'm comparing x is equal to y. Here, there is no object here. That's why here comparison is the content. Means 10. 10 is equal to 10. It returns the true. Integer x is equal to 10 means it automatically unboxing and store into the 10 value into the x. If integer x is equal to new integer of 10, it automatically creates a new object and put it into the value 10. That is the different x is equal to 10 and x is equal to, sorry, integer x is equal to new integer of 10. Now I'm concluding this concept of autoboxing and unboxing. Finally, the conclusion is to implement the autoboxing concept in every wrapper class, a buffer of objects will be created at the time of class loading. By autoboxing, if an object is required to create a first JVM will check whether that object is available in that buffer or not. If it is available, then JVM will reuse that buffer object instead of creating a new object. If the object is not available in the buffer, then only a new object will be created. This approach improves the performance of the memory utilization. But this buffer concept is available only on the following classes: byte, short, integer, long, character, and boolean. In all the remaining cases, compulsory a new object will be created. Internally, autoboxing concept is implemented by using the value of method. Hence, the above rules applicable every for value of methods also. When compared with the constructor, it is recommended to use the value of method to create the wrapper objects. So finally, autoboxing means automatic conversions of primitives to wrapper objects by compiler is called autoboxing. Auto unboxing means automatic conversions of wrapper objects to primitives by the compiler is called auto unboxing.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.